welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights. Today is February 21st, 2026.
Yeah, we're about 6 weeks away from the grand opening. Not a real nice day out there. It's about 39, 40 degrees. Winter has returned. Flying a drone today, it doesn't look a whole lot different than it did last week. There's just not a whole lot of visible changes to report. That south parking lot's been pretty much cleared of most of the containers and equipment that was laying around, so that's a little bit of a change. They've started some of the landscaping, which you can see that in a drone video. Around the back of the building, the work continues on that small utility building. They're also putting a wall up by the loading dock area. Still have some concrete that needs poured back there in the back of the building. Still don't have any evidence of where that 125-foot tall sign is going to be located. You also don't have any indication of where those EV chargers are going to be located. So it looks like all the lights have been installed in the parking lot. There's just a few that look like they need to be installed, and we even see a couple of them that are turned on right now during the day. So last week they held interviews for the positions that are going to be available here at the new Buc-ee's. What they say, about 1,500 people applied for 200 jobs?
Yeah, approximately.
If you were one of the people that had an interview with Buc-ee's last week, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Let us know about your experience with the interview.
Or if you got hired.
Maybe one of the new Buc-ee's mascots out there watching the video right now. Next week, we're going to head down to the Smoky Mountains, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area. So we'll be stopping by the Richmond, Kentucky Buc-ee's and also the Sevierville, Tennessee Buc-ee's. It's been a while since we've been down there, so we're looking forward to that. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. I'd like to thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit the hype button.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road, and you enjoy the rest of the video.
Here's a look at the front of the store at night. You can see a couple of the lights that are on. Here's a couple pictures from across the street showing you what the inside of the store looks like from the front window. As we fly around the retail store, you can see a few things still left to be completed. Got some brickwork that needs to be completed. Also, the ice machines need to be put in place. Still haven't put the Buc-ee's logo on the roof of the building. You can see we're still waiting on the statue to be placed on the north side of the building. Still have some concrete left to be poured here at the back of the building while work continues on that wall next to the loading dock. You can see a new fence has been installed here at this retention pond on the north side of the property. They've also started the fencing for the retention pond at the rear of the property. This is a close-up look of the loading dock. You can see the progress that's been made on the wall they're building. You can also see where they still have some concrete left to pour. Here's a look at that small utility building at the rear of the property. This is the underground fuel storage tank area. We're thinking this area to the left is going to be where some of the EV chargers are going to be placed, but still don't see any confirmation of that yet. You can see some of the landscaping that's been completed. You can also see the pieces for the 125-foot tall sign that is yet to be installed. You can also see the last Buc-ee's logo that's going to be installed on the fuel pump island canopy.